Today we'll talk about how can you delete account on your Braille app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Braille app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on profile here, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on delete account here. So then you click here on understand, click on delete my account, then it's going to delete with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.